1. Pag-usapan natin itong z-score. Ito muna yung topic natin ngayon. So, the title of our topic would be yung under chapter 2 natin, lesson 2, the standard normal random variable. So, the standard normal random variable, always remember that we have a mean of 0 and standard deviation of 1. So, dito, yung deviation natin would always be 1. Isa lang yung distance from the mean. Palayo na palayo, 1. And then, we have a mean of 0. So, yung central tendency is 0. So, para saan ang z-score? So, for a standard normal random variable, the variable or the values for the random variable z are called z-score. So, yun yung cumulative area. Ayan. So, try natin, no? May share akong screen sa inyo. Window. So, nakikita naman ninyo ito, no? It is a z-score. So, as you can see, a z-score or a z-table, we have what we call the negative z-score table and a positive one. As long as the number is less than 0, that is the negative value. So, more than 0, that is a positive value. Tinitingnan natin dito, we are looking at the values which are on the left side. Ito. The shaded one is our negative z-score table. So, what is a negative z-score table? Ito yon. Mamaya natin tingnan yung mga values. Then, we have positive z-score table. In a positive z-score table, so represent the area under the bell curve to the left of z. Ito yon. So, itong left of z, ito. Ayan. So, meron tayong positive z-score dyan. So, as you can see, nag-range siya from 0 going up. This is z-score natin. And then, yung negative is from 0 going negative 4. So, sir, paano natin gagamitin yan? Okay. Madali lang naman yung paggamit natin ng z-score. Kapag binigyan tayo ng tinatawag na z-score, like negative 2.87. Okay. Sir, paano gagamitin yung negative 2.87 na z-score? So, hanapin natin yung probability niya. So, etong nakikita ninyo on the title of the column and the title of every row, that is the z-score. So, paano siya ginagamit? If we are looking at negative 2.87, paano siya? Pupuntahan na natin agad yung negative 2. So, pupunta ka muna sa row, we will look at negative 2. So, saan banda ang negative 2? Ito siya. Sabi niya 2.87. So, negative 2.87. So, ito na ba yon? Hindi pa. Saan ka pupunta? Negative 2.8 and 2.9. So, dito sa row ng negative 2.8. And then, paano naman yung column? We have 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, ang hinahanap natin is negative 2.87. So, again, 0, tapos 1. So, dun tayo sa 2.8. We have 2.80. Ano hinahanap natin? 2.87. So, 2.80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, and 87. So, ano ang ating probability under 2.87? We have a probability of 0.00205. So, if yan ang tinitingnan natin, yan yung ating probability. Yan. So, pwede nating i-round off yan since kukunin natin yung fourth decimal place. We have 0.0021. Okay? Clear so far. Paano naman, sir, kung ang kukunin ko is ganito? Ayan. So, i-open tayo ng Excel. Paano naman kung so entire window tayo? Ayan. So, z table, Tapos, given sa atin yung a certain value. So, z-score tayo. If we have a z-score of, tapos yung probability hanapin natin. Yan. So, z-score natin is, what if p, so p, ito yung kanina, no? Z is less than negative 2.87. So, yung answer natin dito ay, ang answer natin dito ay 0.00205. Ayan. Paano naman kung ang gagawin natin is, yung z-score natin is between, ayan, so between negative 2.87 and 1.8. So, paano natin isa-solve yung probability na hinahanap natin dito? So, again, gamitin lang natin 2.87. Ano yung probability ng 2.87? So, 2.87, we have 0.00205. Okay. Ngayon, since positive ang 1.8, tapos negative ang 2.87, kukunin natin yung higher z-score, 1.8. Since it is a positive, pupunta tayo dun sa, kung ito yung negative table natin, pupunta tayo dun sa positive sa z-score natin. Yan. So, positive z-score natin is 1.8. So, saan dito yung 1.8? Dito siya, 1.8, positive. Tapos, wala siyang second decimal value. So, ibig sabihin, 1.80. So, ang gagamitin na natin itong nauuna kasi it is under 0 column. So, 96407. So, 0.96407. Okay. Since ito is a positive z-score, so, lagyan natin, positive z-score yan. Ito, negative z-score yan. Dahil negative 2.87, kukunin natin ang difference nila. Yan. So, ang difference nila is 0.96202. O, 2. Yan. So, kukunin natin yung kahit fourth decimal place, that is 0.9620. So, ito yung ating answer. Yan. So, yan yung ating answer. Ito ang probability ng between negative 2.87 and 1.8 na z-score. Paano naman kung ang z-score natin is, the z-score is greater than 1.8? So, anong gagawin natin? So, given na ang z-score natin is sobrang taas, always remember na ang total value ng ating curve, or meaning lahat ng probability, is equivalent to 1. Or in percentage, that is equivalent to 100%. Dito, lahat ng less than 2.87, meron lang silang 0.00205 na probability. So, if dito, kukunin naman natin yung positive. So, sa positive z-score, ganun din ang gagawin natin. Ang gagawin lang natin is, we will take the value of 1.8. Ano yung 1.8 natin? Nakuha na natin dito. That is 0.96407. So, that is 0.96407. So, yan na ba yung sagot? Siyempre, hindi. Kasi ang hinahanap natin, greater than 1.8. So, kung greater than 1.8, dapat kukunin natin is, meron tayong 1. So, yan. So, meron tayong 1 dyan. Ito yung nasa positive z-score natin. Deduct lang natin. So, ang magiging final answer natin for the probability na more than 1.8, that is 0.03593. So, what if, ayan, so P, ayan, what if, kukunin natin is greater than, so Z, that is greater than 2.87 kung meron man. So, pupunta lang natin yung ganitong pattern. Since nasa positive yan, or meaning anything or any z-score greater than 1.8, kunin natin. So, 1 agad. Pag nakita nyo greater than, tapos positive ito, so 1, tapos kunin natin yung 2.87. Since positive yung z-score natin, punta tayo sa positive 2. Kaso hindi pa yun hinanap natin. 2.8. That is the 2.8. 7 siya. So 0, 2.8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, dito siya banda. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, ito siya. 99795. Tapos, i-deduct lang ulit natin. 1 minus ito. So, ito yung sagot natin. Nakita niyo yung difference? Ito, less than negative 2.87. Ito, greater than 2.87. Parehas lang. Pero bakit kasi? Kung maaalala niyo yung shape ng ating tinatawag na curve, yung curve natin is bell shape, di ba? Bell shape yan. So, both on the left side, ito yung nasa left side, ito yung nasa right side, dapat parehas lang sila na magiging sagot. So, that is 0.00205. Ganoon din siya dito. Kasi ang tinitingnan natin dito, anything that is greater than 2.87. So, ang probability nila is ganyan. Okay? So, 3 sets of example pa tayo doon sa z-score. Then, itatry natin kung paano ba magkakaroon ng z-score. Yan. So, we have z is less than, so yung z-score natin is less than negative 3.5 of 3.54. Tapos, maglalagay din tayo na p, yan. Tapos, negative 3.54 is less than z, less than 3.54 din. Tapos yung susunod is, so yung p natin, that is z, tapos greater than negative 3.54. So, kunin na natin. Since negative 3.54, pupunta tayo doon sa negative z-score. So, negative z-score natin is 3.54. So, 3.5, dito siya. At ang column natin is 4. Kasi 3.54. So, ito, 3.54. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, saan siya? 0, 0, 0 to 20. That is 0.00020. Yan. So, next. Pupunta tayo dito. Kailangan natin makuha positive and then yung negative. So, that is between 3.54 and negative 3.54. So, nakuha na natin yung negative 3.54. That is equivalent to 0.0020. Ano naman yung positive na 3.54? So, punta natin yung positive z-score table. That is 3.5 Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 99980. 0.99980. Ngayon, i-deduct natin. That is 99.96. Ito yung sagot natin. So, from positive z-score, ito naman is negative z-score. Doon na tayo sa greater than, gawin natin positive. So, positive 3.54. Ano yung positive 3.54 natin? Diba? 0.9998. Pero ano gagawin natin? Ima-minus natin yan sa 1. So, that is 1 minus 0.998. Meron kang itong sagot. Parehas lang dito, diba? So, anything that is less than 3.54, negative 3.54 na z-score, that is 0.0002. So, paano kung more than 3.54? That is, ganitong formula. Kukunin pa rin natin z-score, pero ima-minus natin sa 1. That is 0.0002. So, ganun ginagamit yung ating z-table. So, ganun natin siya ginagamit. So, any question doon sa pagkuha natin gamit yan? Wala naman? Wala? Okay. So, kung wala, ngayon, standardizing a normal random variable. Kasi hindi naman given sa atin agad ang tinatawag na z-score. So, paano natin gagawing z-score ang isang value? So, meron tayong formula. The formula that we have is yung z-score. Ayan, so z, that is equal to z. So, z, that is equivalent to, saan natin ilalagay? So, that's equal to yung x, meaning the given random variable. I-minus natin sa ating u or mean. Yan. So, mean minus mean. Tapos, i-divide natin yan doon sa ating standard deviation. So, standard deviation. So, meron tayong ganitong formula. Formula natin yan sa standard deviation. So, ito yung formula natin para makuha yung z-score, no? We have z, that is equivalent to, yung z-score natin, equivalent yan sa number of yung value na binigay sa atin, minus mean, tapos, paano natin ang standard divided by standard deviation. So, paano natin to isa-solve? Ano tayo? Ano lang natin. Formatting lang natin. So, z is equal to the standard. So, the observed value, that is x minus mean. Tapos, gagamitin natin yung ating standard deviation as divisor. So, for example, we have a given of, kunin natin, so find the z-score. So, try natin mag-find ng z-score natin. So, find the z-score. Kunwari, given sa atin, we have mean of, ang mean natin is 38.8 minutes. 13.8 minutes. Tapos, meron tayong standard deviation na ilan? 11.4. 11.4 minutes. Yan. So, hanapin natin ang z-score if meron tayong 27.4 minutes. Tapos, 50.2 minutes. Tapos, ang isa pa nating hahanapin, yung probability between that. So, probability between the given values. Yan. So, ito yung hanapin natin yan pagkatapos. So, probability between the given values. So, kunin natin yung z-score muna ng 27.4. So, ano ang z-score niya? Gamitin natin yung formula natin. That is equivalent to, ano yung x? Yung 27.4 kasi given. 27.4. Tapos, isusubtract natin sa mean. Ano yung mean natin? 38.8. Tapos, i-divide natin ito sa, i-divide natin yan sa standard deviation na 11.4. So, ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, yan yung itsura niya. Yung formula natin. Ganon din dito. So, ganon din ang gawin natin. We have 50.2 minus 38.8. Ano yung 38.8? Yan yung mean natin. Divided by standard deviation na 11.4. So, ano yung equivalent niyan? That is, kunin natin, 27.4 minus 38.8 divided by 11.4. So, ang z-score natin is, kunin natin yung exact. So, ang exact natin is 1.0. Dito naman is 50.2. 50.2 minus 38.8 divided by 11.4. Anong lalabas? That is equivalent to positive 1. Ayan. So, meron tayong negative 1 and positive 1. So, kunin muna natin yung probability ng z-score natin. So, ito yung z-score. Ayan. Ito yung z-score natin. So, ano yung probability nila? So, probability. So, if yun yung probability, kukunin na natin dito. We have to look at negative 1. So, negative z-score table tayo. Saan yung negative 1? Ito siya. May katuloy ba siya na decimal digit? Hindi. Wala siya. 0 siya. So, flat 1. That is 15,866. So, probability to have that time is 0.15866. Paano naman doon sa positive 1? Anong gagawin natin? Kukunin din natin yung probability niya. Pero since positive number yan, pupunta tayo sa positive z-score table natin. Positive z-score table natin. We have 1, positive 1. That is equivalent to, dahil 0 yung kasunod niya, doon tayo sa column na 0. That is 84134. So that is 0.84134. Ngayon, probability between the given values. So, kukunin natin yung probability nila. So, ano ang probability natin? That is equivalent to, paano natin kukunin? Katulad lang doon sa dito. Yan. Or dito. Ibig sabihin, isusubtract lang natin yung dalawang probability. Kasi yan naman yung kahanapan natin. So, that is 84134 minus 015866. So, ang probability natin between the value, that is 0.86268. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. Ganyan yung nahanap. Question? May question tayo? Okay. So, ganun lang natin ginagamit yung z-table, and paano natin gagamitin yung data na ibibigay sa atin given yung mean, given yung standard deviation. Kukunin natin yung z-score nila, and then gagamitan natin ng z-table para makita natin yung probability nila. So, sa mga susunod pa natin na activity, magka-calculate lang tayo ng z-score. So, hindi ko muna pagkukuhanan ng mean, yung isa't isa, or ng standard deviation. Ang gagawin lang natin, ibibigay ko na agad yung mean, yung standard deviation, then yung random variable, kukuha na lang natin sila ng z-score. And then, sa mga susunod pa, apply natin yan doon sa ating lesson mula doon sa umpisa. So, ganoon lang muna. Sanayin nyo lang yung sarili ninyo under the z-score table, and kung paano ba hanapin yung z-score given yung certain na random variable. So, with that, dismiss muna tayo. Kung wala ng tanong, God bless sa atin.